In the 300 years between 1450 and 1750, European trading empires, enabled by technological advances, expanded across the world's oceans and exerted their influence over local populations, from America to India and beyond. Europe's rapid expansion did not go unchallenged. From the Peruvian mountains to the Bay of Bengal and the castles of Tokugawa, Japan, people tried to make sense of the arrival of Europeans. Some fought, others lost their independence, a few held out and kept the explorers at a distance. This edition of History Adventures, World of Characters, examines this crucial moment in early modern history through the experiences of 6 characters who were there. Every character had to make a choice about where they would fit in this shrinking world. You will have to decide where you stand in this new world of empires and interconnections. Would you fight for your independence or take your chances? The stories of our 6 characters challenge you to think, what would I have done? And this is the best question about the past you can ever ask.